John 13 verse 34, A new command I give you, love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7, Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Romans 12 verse 10, Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Galatians 5 verse 14, For the entire law is fulfilled in keeping this one command, love your neighbor as yourself. 1 John 4 verse 7, Dear friends, let us love one another, for love comes from God. Everyone who loves has been born of God and knows God. Ephesians 4 verse 2, Be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love. Colossians 3 verse 14, And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. Matthew 22 verses 37-39, Jesus replied, Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it, love your neighbor as yourself. 1 Peter 4 verse 8, Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. Proverbs 10 verse 12, Hatred stirs up conflict, but love covers over all wrongs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.